After a glorious 10 years of world's smallest folding stroller, finally GB launched a latest GB Pockit Elf stroller with one-hand fold mechanism. And to unfold it, wow! This mechanism has won the Red Dots Design Award. GB Pockit Elf is a German design stroller ranked as the world's most favorable traveling stroller. Weighing only 6.7 kg, it's suitable from 6 months up to 22 kg, approximately 4 years old. While GB Pockit All-Terrain, holding a Guinness World Record title as the world's smallest folding stroller, there's a surprise in GB Pockit Elf when the size after fold is even smaller than all-terrain with a measurement of 24.5 times 30 times 38 cm only. The dimension is as small as a laptop. It remains the unique design of the pilot handle for the best handling experience, while upgrade the grip with a PU non-slip structure. It features a durable yet lightweight aluminium frame, soft surface, adjustable canopy with UPF 50+ sun protection, designed in full ventilation window that provide best air ventilation for your baby. Come with 5-point safety harness. The seat fabric is covered with soft touch surface. This fabric is designed for cleaning purpose. You can easily detach from the frame. Alright, let's go to cleaning. 3-level adjustable backrest from sitting position, 2nd level, and level 3 up to 150 degree. Wide seat space, frame to frame up to 32 cm. It's comfortable even for bigger size toddler. Come along with soft touch cushy bumper bar and it's removable. Basket available for toys and essential products. Link brake system. Step the red to stop, green to go. GB Pockit Elf have a light stroller weight with a pilot steering, giving you flexibility on contouring your stroller direction, even on all different terrain. Folding the stroller is much easier now. Just press these 2 buttons, then push the handle all the way to the end. It can stand alone and there's a handle for you to hold your stroller. Unfolding the stroller, just hold up the 2 handlebar, flip up, and you are ready to go. In summary, GB Pockit Elf is a perfect travel stroller because it's ultra lightweight and compact. It has improved overall mechanism, making it so user-friendly, and it provides premium materials for extra comfort and durability. And most important, it continued the legacy of world's most compact stroller and is upgraded for today's modern parents. Let's check out GB Pockit Elf at My Lovely Baby for extra value. Follow us for more product review video.